Number 3, is x minus 4 a factor of 3x to the 5th, blah, 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 why or why not? Okay, so if it's a factor, when we do synthetic division, we're going to end up with a remainder of 0. So let's go ahead and do synthetic here. We've got 3x to the 5th. We have no x to the 4th or x cubed. So we have to account for that by putting 0x to the 4th, 0x cubed, then minus 5x squared, minus 8x, and plus 48. This is a pretty long one. And we're wanting to know, is x minus 4 a factor? That means we're dividing out a positive 4, because if we set this equal to 0, x minus 4 equals 0. Let's scoot this over real quick. We'd have to add 4 to solve, so x equals 4 is the number that we're actually dividing out. Okay, so now let's go through and do synthetic here. Put our line in. Always bring down the first number, and then we times. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 and 0 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. 0 and 48 is 48. 48 times 4 is 192. 192 minus 5 is 187. Then we do 187 times 4, which is 748. 748 and negative 8 makes 740. And then this is our last number. This is the number that has to be a 0 if it is a factor, if it is in fact a factor. Okay, 740 times 4 is 2960. So we can see that our remainder is going to be 3008. This is not an even factor. This is not a factor of this polynomial because it does not have a 0 here. It must have a 0 remainder to show that it goes in perfectly. So the answer here, is x minus 3 a factor? No.